In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert image letterhead in Word document. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Microsoft Word and then click on insert in the top navigation, click on picture and then select this device. Then just go and locate your letterhead from your document. So mine saved here. I'm just going to upload our letterhead. Now once you've uploaded the image, right click on it, click on size and position, and underneath scale you need to adjust the height to 100. Also make sure that the width is also set to 100%. Click on text wrapping and select behind text. Click on position, select alignment and then select centered from the list. Change the relative to page next to vertical. Click on alignment and set this to top and page and then go and press OK. And that's pretty much it. That's how to insert image letterhead in Word document. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.